Let's hope it's them. It's Ligo time. Kita maganda mag-picture. Let's try kung iba. Mas gusto ko yung balat dito kaysa dun sa atin. Kasi dun na salty ah. Hello! Nag-ano na yung strawberry, nag-deconstruct na. Ay, nako pre. Sinira mo pre. Okay, let's eat it. Parang kakasal ako. Kakasal ako? Sasakal? Kakasal ka? Lagkit, bro. Bilis na kain na. How are we gonna eat this? This is so kahapon natin kinain. Okay na. Ang lambot na. Oops. Sarap niyo bro kung saan nakakain. Sarap! Oh. This is like our third time going down from this lobby today. Uy, ang lamig. Lamig na naman guys. Pero hindi naman. Better if not say it. pauwian na, guys. Wag ka kumantal at... Alatis. Alatis, okay? Alatis, alatis. Pre, alatis. Lamig na lamig lang.
It's to cover the chin.
Ano ba tong buhok ko, pre? My hair. The stoplight for crossing the road is so fast. Sinisipon na naman ako pag nasa labas for real.
Tapos pag matulog.
Wala na.
Hindi, pag matulog na.
Ako wala. And then sabi niya,
Crazy time. Crazy laughing time.
sabi niya kagabi.
Ano?
I said,
Private.
oh, okay. You won't talk about it. Pwede na kaagad sa hotel. Ang dark naman. Pari ka lang pero you're scared. I know, sa room natin. Kunwari ka lang, I know. Ha? At tanggalin ko na yung makeup ko. I didn't tell them that you put makeup on me and then it felt like a kid was putting makeup on me. Wala na nga eh. Outfit. Show your outfit. This is Jungkook, guys. Jungkook.
Wait, I'm not done.
Tagal naman.